There are three methods to charge a body, namely charging by friction, by conduction, and by induction. Let us first look at charging the body by friction. When two uncharged or neutral objects made up of different material, say a glass rod and a silk cloth, are rubbed against each other, both objects get electrified due to transfer of charges. This process is called charging by friction. When glass rod and silk cloth get rubbed, then glass rod loses few electrons to the silk cloth. This deficiency of electron on the glass rod makes it positively charged, and the excess of electron makes the silk cloth negatively charged. Let us now look at how body can be charged by conduction. If we touch the positive charge glass rod to an uncharged pith ball for a moment, the pith ball become positive charge too. This process of charging by bringing a charged body in contact with neutral body is called charging by conduction. In this case, some electrons are transferred from the pith ball to glass rod, and thus the glass rod become less positively charged by gaining the electrons. We observe that both body involved in the method of charging by conduction and acquire the same type of charge when the process is complete. We can also charge a body without contact in the third method, that is charging by induction. When a charged object A is placed near an uncharged object B, then object A attract opposite charge towards itself and repel same charge of object B. In this case, the charge inside object B are only polarized and no transfer of electron takes place. This process of polarization of charge on an uncharged body when a charged body is held near it is called induction of charge. For example, bringing a negatively charged rod near a neutral metal sphere will induce a positive charge on the near surface of metal sphere due to electrostatic attraction and a negative charge on its far side of metal sphere due to electrostatic repulsion, because like charge repel each other and unlike charge will attract each other. This charge is temporary, that is, if we move the glass rod away, then the sphere returns to its original state. When negatively charged glass rod is held close to neutral metal sphere, then the charges in it are polarized due to induction. Now, if we earth the far side of metal sphere using a conducting wire, then electrons on the far side of metal sphere flows into the earth. Now, earthing should be removed. However, the positive charge on the near side of metal sphere are held at rest by negatively charged rod. Now, if we take away the glass rod from the metal sphere, then positive charge on the metal sphere distributes uniformly over the sphere. In this way, a metal sphere gets charged.